5 notes represent different lengths of time in music, each with a specific name. The first note is called a semibreve or whole note and is the longest of today's notes. It lasts for 4 beats in 4/4 time. If you are new to the term 4/4 time, do not worry, as we will be covering this in more detail later on. The second note is called a minim or half note, and it lasts for half the time of a semibreve, or 2 beats in 4/4 time. The third note is called a crotchet or quarter note, and it lasts for 1 beat in 4/4 time. The fourth note is called a quaver or 8th note, and it lasts for half the time of a crotchet or half a beat in 4/4 time. The final note is called a semiquaver or 16th note. It lasts for 1/4 of a beat in 4/4 time. Now let's practice counting these notes together. Semibreve, minim, crotchet, quaver, semiquaver. Now, are you ready to explore more musical insights? Then check out our next video on understanding relative minor scales for beginners.